Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of WakandaCoin. Today we are going to demonstrate how to download and install Metamask on Google Chrome. We are also going to demonstrate how to add Binance Smart Chain Network to Metamask. Doing this will enable you to take part in the pre-sale of WakandaCoin. So please stick around. So let's open Google and get started. Our first step will be installing the Metamask extension to Chrome. For that, type Metamask extension in the search bar. Go to the first link and click Add to Chrome button. Add extension and it starts downloading automatically, and once it's downloaded completely, it will open up automatically in a new tab. So as you can see, it opened a new tab. Let's get started. We are creating a new wallet. Now since this is just a demo video, I'll create a random password. Then click next. Now comes one of the most important part, that is saving the recovery key. Each user is allotted a unique set of words which are used for recovering your account. You need to take a backup of the same and put the key in the same order when asked. This key is most important as it is the only way by which you can re-log into your account. So it is advisable to keep a copy of your recovery phase in several places as well as a hard copy. Now I have to put the key in the same order as before for completing my account. All done. So my account is created and this is the instructions. Now this is the dashboard of Metamask and here is the list of networks that are available to me. Now we are adding the Smart Chain Network to this list. For doing so, go to the settings, networks, and click on add network. Here you need to fill in the details of the network that you want to add manually. And for getting those details, open up a new tab and search add BNB to Metamask wallet. Click the first link, scroll down, and this is the information that you need. From here, copy each line and paste it on your wallet accordingly. After you are done, click on save and you're all set. You have successfully added the smart chain to your Metamask and you can see it on the dashboard as well. And the same appears in the list of networks as well. I can easily switch to Ethereum main network as well. Now our next step will be accessing our wallet. Click on the extension button on top right corner of Google Chrome. You can see the list of extensions and open Metamask. A Metamask pop-up will open up where you can see the Ethereum network as well as the smart chain. You can also open the expanded view. And here is your dashboard. I can switch networks from here. And you're all set. We are going to be uploading more instructions and update videos like this, so we kindly ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also visit our website to learn more about the WakandaCoin project. Please also follow us on Facebook and join our Telegram group for regular updates. Our Reddit community is also open, so thank you for watching and we'll see you soon.